Now, when performing the push-up, we're going to do it here a little bit different. You're going to place your hands shoulder width apart, but you're going to bend the knees to roughly a 45-degree angle like I have and keep your back flat. You're also going to move forward and down, just as I'm doing in the video when performing this push-up, and press from your fingertips and the palm of your hands, and imagine that you're trying to break through the floor as you're coming back up. The reason why I do them like this is because it engages your core more. The arcing motion of you going forward and backwards causes your chest muscles to engage fully, and it just allows you to be challenged quite a bit more when engaging the chest muscles for this exercise.